Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious donuts the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 packet of active dry yeast. Gently warm 1/2 cup of milk to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit to properly activate your yeast. Then, combine all your wet and dry ingredients to start forming that perfect shaggy dough. This initial step is crucial for a light, airy donut. Now that your dough is shaggy, it's time to develop that gluten. Knead the dough for a good 8 to 10 minutes until it's wonderfully smooth and elastic. This ensures a tender crumb. Next, place your beautifully kneaded dough into a lightly greased bowl, covering it snugly with plastic wrap. Let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has proudly doubled in size. Patience is key here. With your dough beautifully risen, gently roll it out on a lightly floured surface to about 1/2 inch thick. Now for the fun part, shaping. Use a 3-inch cutter for the donuts and a 1-inch cutter for the holes. Heat your frying oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop in your donuts, frying them for 1 to 2 minutes per side until they are a gorgeous golden brown. Don't overcrowd the pot. Finally, let's make these donuts irresistible. Whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a simple, delicious glaze. While your donuts are still warm, dip them generously into the glaze, ensuring every inch is covered in that sweet goodness. Let them set for a moment, then enjoy your homemade masterpieces. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. They're perfect for sharing or for keeping all to yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.